Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature of ketones where one substituent is an aryl group. Moving on to the next step. Identify the structure. The molecule shown is acetophenone, a benzene ring attached to a C is equal to O CH3 acetyl group. Moving on to the next step. Identify the principal characteristic group. The carbonyl C is equal to O of a ketone is the principal characteristic group given the suffix 1. And for the final step, select the parent chain. The longest carbon chain containing the carbonyl carbon is 2 carbons, C is equal to O CH3, which is ethane 1-1 ethanone. Name the substituents. The benzene ring attached to C1 of the ethanone chain is a phenyl group. Assign the locant. The phenyl group is on carbon 1 of ethanone. The carbonyl carbon is C1, giving 1-phenylethane 1-1, commonly written as 1-phenylethanone. Evaluate the options. A. 2-phenylethanone, incorrect locant C2 is the methyl end, not where phenyl is attached. B. 1-phenylethanone, correct phenyl on C1 of ethanone. C. 1-oxothyl, benzene, treats benzene as parent and oxothyl as substituent, non-standard and incorrect preferred IUPAC name. D. 1-ethyloxo, benzene, not a valid IUPAC name. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.